The prevention of sexual exploitation and abuse, or PSEA, is a top priority for UNICEF and for UN as a whole. As humanitarians, it is important that we at UNICEF and our partners in the field are held to the highest standards of conduct. This means pursuing a zero-tolerance approach to all forms of sexual exploitation and abuse, and taking all necessary measures to create and maintain an environment free of sexual exploitation and abuse.
Preventing and responding to sexual exploitation and abuse is a top priority for UNICEF in Mozambique. We're making all efforts to inform and raise awareness of the communities we serve, to make sure they understand their rights and also the standards of conduct that they can expect from us. With our own staff, partners and suppliers, we are rolling out training and also requesting concrete planning and measures to respond and prevent sexual exploitation and abuse.
Following the recent tropical storms Gombe and Ana that hit Mozambique in 2022, UNICEF was ready with informational material and messages developed together with the PSEA network, the body that coordinates all PSEA initiatives developed by UN agencies, NGOs and CSOs in Mozambique. We have decided that the best approach was first to prioritize the training of our own staff, so we could build on that capacity and duplicate that training to implementing partners, government officials, health workers and community workers. Through training sessions, by distributing this material and with the support of mobile outreach units, UNICEF has reached 3,300 community members in Ilha de Moçambique and Monaco, and 1,100 families in Quelimane. UNICEF Mozambique requires that all personnel, partners and suppliers receive PSEA training, and when needed, develop concrete plans on how to prevent and respond to sexual exploitation and abuse. More than 1,700 staff from our implementing partners were trained in the last 2 years, and 420 of our suppliers that have direct contact with beneficiaries received in-person training. PSEA is now fully integrated into our standard operating procedures for partnership. We make sure that our implementing partners have human and financial resources to comply with the PSEA minimum standards since we start working with them. UNICEF Mozambique is rolling out the PSEA Minimum Emergency Training Package, which is based in global guidance and as well in the PSEA Contingency Plan that was developed by the humanitarian country team with the support of the PSEA network in Mozambique. This will strengthen our ability to ensure that PSEA will be integrated and prioritized at all stages of emergency preparedness and response.
One of the greatest PSEA initiatives in 2021 and 2022 was its inclusion in the performance planning for all staff. This was a great shift which ensured that all staff are involved in the implementation of the action plan. For Zambezia Field Office, we went above and beyond by ensuring that PSEA activities are included in all staff performance planning, including our drivers. We now see the difference as staff make sure they carry the PSEA message wherever they go. PSEA is everybody's business.
We're also rolling out new instructions to report SEA and significant harm to children, strengthening channels to report misconduct confidentially. This means that if abuse does occur, it can be dealt with in an appropriate and decisive manner. Working with the PSEA network and other UN agencies, UNICEF has supported the interagency toll-free hotline service Linha Verde, through which beneficiaries can report issues related to the humanitarian response, among which instances of sexual exploitation and abuse. UNICEF has provided trainings for the operators of this emergency hotline, with a focus on prevention of sexual exploitation and abuse, stress management, listening skills, and trauma-sensitive approach. Finally, UNICEF Mozambique is supporting the PSEA network and its members with the rolling out of the UN Victims Assistance Protocol. The protocol was designed to provide timely assistance and support to survivors of abuse in a safe, victim-centered, culturally appropriate, age and gender-relevant manner. Trainings are provided to the PSEA network members and partners so that the protocol can be fully integrated into the response to sexual exploitation and abuse. Through these efforts and working closely with our partners and with the incredible team of the PSEA network, UNICEF Mozambique is driving progress in creating and maintaining an environment free of sexual exploitation and abuse.